Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to clear an app's cache to fix problems on your Sharp Google TV. So let's start off by going into the settings. Now we need to go to apps and find an app that causes the problem. So for example, if it's Disney Plus, then go here. And if you want to clear the app's cache, click here. Now click OK. And the cache should be cleared. And if not, then simply click to clear data. But I do not recommend that since you guys would need to log in again and everything. So if this didn't work, then click clear data as a last resort. Now the cache should be all cleared, as you guys can see. And that would be it. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment under this video. Bye.